Welcome back to a new price prediction, a price analysis video. We'll be discussing SLP and the recent action and the price action that has happened in the previous days. And I just want to take the time as well to thank you guys for almost getting to 150 subs. This is a huge milestone, and I really want to appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for that. And okay, let's take a look at what's happening at the charts. So okay, we have here SLP. So for the 1 hour, we have here our zones, okay? So we drew our zones here last times of about 0.0205, okay? That was the previous support level that I drew out last time and stated that this was an important key factor of support, okay? Because as you can see, previously we've had a wick up there, and these are two right here at 0.0199 and 0.0205 are huge factors, okay? We have a huge imbalance here, okay? And as you can see, these zones here, we retested it back. If I zoom in, we respected these zones here, okay? For SLP, we have these zones being respected. Price never wicked down there. And this is what I wanted to see from SLP. We still have a lot of bullish momentum in for our project. So after this huge wick, we know that there's going to be a little bit of a rebound and a little bit of a retracement. And this is what happened, okay? We saw price at the Bollinger Bands here. So this is a current resistant level at about 0.0238. So these levels here are very crucial for a resistant level, because price wicked up there twice, okay? We can see a double top here. So a double top indicates that there's going to be a reversal happening, and that's what we saw happening here, okay? At about 0.0235. So be careful here, because we also saw that we were oversold at the RSI, and also the MACD was indicating that there was going to be a reversal, as we can see here twice, okay? But price wicked down here. We actually broke out of these resistant levels before, and we saw that there was going to be a resistant level here at 0.0205, which we came back to these imbalances here at 0.0197, okay? And if we scroll down here for the 1 hour, we're currently approaching a very key level, okay? So 0.0220. Be careful here, okay? This is very crucial, because as you can see, we're reaching these levels here of high resistance at 0.0237. And I think what's happening here, we might go back to these levels again. So if I do zoom out, let me zoom out again. If we do reach these levels again, these would be an order block, okay? So these two here are big order blocks. So what I mean by that is there's investors that decided to sell here, okay? And now price is kind of in an uptrend, okay? So if we draw our lines, we can see an uptrend, okay? At 0.0198 and 0.0221. So if price does go back up there, please be careful, okay? This could be an order block, which is in a case getting back to the investors who decided to sell these prices. And most of the times they're going to have their stop loss a little bit up top of the selling pressure that they decided to take at about 0.0240. So be careful if price goes back up there, because it could be a fake out. Price, a lot of people might think that once price goes back up there, then I will get into the project. But no, be careful here, okay? We're in an uptrend, yes. But what could happen is we go back up there, wick again, and create a third resistant level here, also taking out the investors who decided to sell, and then we could see a rebound back to these levels here at about 0.0207. Keep in mind, we are also seeing the MACD in the 1 hour. We're about to have another cross here, which is indicating that there's going to be another reversal, and also RSI is looking like it's going to be oversold. So just be careful here. These levels, if you want to get into a project, like I said, wait for price to hopefully break out of these zones here. If price does break these levels and then retest these resistant levels and then come back to the Bollinger Bands when it's oversold at these levels here, at the premium levels at 0.0204. But here is just dangerous, okay? You can't really, when you have two factors here, resistance that price before decided not to break and rebound again, it's just difficult to get in these prices, okay? So just be careful with these, and just know that if price does go back up there, I mean, we could see another thing happening. So if price does go back up there and we break out of these zones and we respect it, we could see another, so if I scroll down here, we can see another thing happening, which is bouncing off of these resistance and then coming back for support and then going back up. Okay, but this is huge. Okay, because we've had such a big run up before with SLP. So, and is that gonna happen? We don't know. Okay, this is crypto, but I just want to be logical here. Okay, these prices, it's had a huge run up before, and it might need some time to cool off a little bit before we see a little bit of more movements, as we saw here with the volume. So wait it out and see what price happens. But I would recommend to just wait a little bit, wait for price to come back at the premium levels at 0.0204. Also, if we do our fib here, if we draw our fib, we can see that at these levels we were oversold here, okay, and we were at the premium levels. So if I do scroll out, we can see here with the fib that at the zero level we had the double top here, which happened, okay, and we see that we were respecting the zone of 1 right here, which is 0.0194. So this is actually the best price to wait for, okay. So after we analyze the fib, MACD, and also RSI, we can see that the best price here would be about 0.0193. Is price going to come back here again, ever again? We don't know. But I'm just indicating that with all these factors, with the huge imbalance here that needs to be filled maybe one more time, it would be better to just wait it out. And if you want to get into the SLP, don't fear of missing out, okay? Just wait for price to hopefully come back here, because I do believe it might break out of these uptrend and hopefully come back to these premium prices. And you can also, if you're in the project already, you can dollar cost average. But yeah, guys, that makes up for the analysis of SLP. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And stay blessed, and see you on the next one.